Okay, so how do we count the butterflies? So in the first option it says 1, 2, and then they skip this one, 3, 4, and then skip this one again, 5, 6, and skip this one once again, and then 7. Well, that's not how you count butterflies, or anything for that matter. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this option is not correct. And in the next one, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, that is how we count butterflies. So the next option is correct. Alright, so now in this question, we're going to have to count the dogs. So first they wrote 1, then 3, but that's supposed to be the second dog. Then they wrote 5, then they wrote 7 and 9. That's wrong. So let's just cross this first option. Okay, let's see the next option. So it says 1, 2, that's right, 3, 4, and 5. Now this option's correct because that is the way we count the dogs. Alright, so in this question we have to write the missing numbers in the boxes. Okay, so let's see what they've already given us. So they've 1 B and 2 B's. Okay, so what comes after 2? 3, so we'll write 3 in this box. And then what comes after 3? 4. There. Alright, so let's do another one. Okay, so fill in the box. Alright, so they gave the number 1, 2 lions, and then the empty space, and then 4 lions. So what comes after 2? 3. So that's what comes in the box.